Welcome to this new lecture of Natural Language Processing with Python. In this lecture, we will learn term frequency in term inverse document frequency, in short TF-IDF. Term frequency TF-IDF is another method of representing text data in a vector form or format. Hence, once again, we shall represent each document as a list whose length is equal to the number of unique words or tokens in all documents, means corpus. But the vector here not only represents the presence and absence of a word, but also the frequency of the word both in the current document and the whole corpus. This technique is based on the idea that the rarely occurring words are better representatives of the document than frequently occurring words. Hence, this representation gives more weightage to the rare or less frequent words than frequently occurring words. It does so with the following formula. The formula of TF-IDF is term frequency multiplied by inverse document frequency. Here, term frequency is the frequency of a word in the given document, and inverse document frequency can be defined as log of D divided by DF, where DF is document frequency and capital D is the total number of documents in the background corpus. Now we do an example to understand the whole concept of TF-IDF representation. Exercise TF-IDF representation. In this exercise, we will represent the input text with their TF-IDF vector. We will use a scalar module named TF-IDF vectorizer, which converts the given text or input text into TF-IDF vectors. Follow these steps to implement this exercise. Open a Jupyter or Colab notebook and then import all the required libraries and create a method to calculate the TF-IDF of the corpus. So, in the first cell, we import the TF-IDF vectorizer class from a scalar library, and then we define a user-defined function get_TF_IDF_vectors, and the parameter of this function will be corpus. Okay. Next, we create the object of class TF-IDF vectorizer. You can also, this TF_model is a TF-IDF model, and then we fit this model on our corpus and call toDense function to convert the output of this TF-IDF model into vector form. Fit_transform function is perform the TF-IDF function on the given corpus, and then return vector_list. Then we run the cell. Okay. Now we define our corpus. Our corpus has following documents. It means it has this one document and 4 documents. Okay. Now we apply our user-defined function on this corpus. First we call our user-defined function vector_list. We have a variable, and then we call the user-defined function get TF-IDF vectors, and then pass our above corpus. and then print the result of this user-defined function or Actually, these results contain the TF-IDF vector of all words of corpus. So run this cell. Okay. Actually, these are the TF-IDF vectors of the following corpus. Actually, these values represent the words according to this formula, which is TF-IDF formula. So this is a short lecture to understand the TF-IDF model. So I hope you understand well, and thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.